Good day guys and welcome to the channel. Quick tutorial for you on how to use your OBS camera on Discord. So firstly you need to enable it in Discord. How to do this? You go into your interface, open up the window with OBS and make sure to start the virtual camera. So this is mandatory. After that just minimize, then go into your settings, user settings on Discord. Then you find the camera settings, so camera and sound. Let me see where it is. Voice and video, there you go. In here, just under the camera, make sure to choose not your USB webcam, which is my own, like real physical camera, but choose the OBS virtual camera. Just click on it. And now when you test the video, as you can see now, actually I have, and I'm streaming my desktop because that's the main source. I'm streaming the desktop as my Discord camera. So as you can see, you can stream literally anything you want. You can just go back, choose any source. You can just choose your, I don't know, maybe some image or GIF, whatever you wish. And then just stream it on Discord. If you want to go back, use the real camera. This is my real camera and use that. It's pretty simple, guys. Enjoy the guide. See you next time.